Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Reporter Vin. I'm Vin Ebenu, and today I'm taking you outside to do a little grilling as we get ready for summer, a couple weeks shy of summer, to make some peanut butter grilled chicken along with a side of some zucchini. So, do they go together? Sure, why not? Do all three sound delicious? Absolutely. Peanut butter, chicken, and zucchini. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's nice and easy. I've warmed up the grill, and now I'm going to put the chicken on at a low temperature, a low flame, so that it cooks thoroughly on the inside. And there we go. Now all the pieces of chicken are on the grill. I'm going to shut this and let it start to cook. While the chicken is cooking on the grill, I'm going to start cutting up the zucchini. Now we're going to take a look at where things are at with the chicken and the zucchini. With the zucchini, put it all into this little frying pan here with a little bit of olive oil. And that's going to cook. Just going to mix that, stir it around every once in a while. With the chicken, I've turned it over a couple times or moved it around. Just going to let it continue to cook and be sure to check the middle. You want to flip it every few minutes or so to make sure that both sides cook. A little check again on the zucchini, which is coming along nicely. Just a little above low on the gas. And then the chicken, which is just gonna flip a couple here. Ooh, love that sound. Love the taste, but definitely love the sound of a grill. Now I already put some oil in the pan and mixed it around with the zucchini, but I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice on there to keep the zucchini fresh on the top. Now to start finishing things off, I'm going to put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top of the zucchini. Just for flavor. A little melted cheese on top of the zucchini is good. And we're going to put some peanut butter on top of the chicken. Then we're going to start to spread right on top so the flavor starts to sink in. Instead of peanut butter and jelly, it's peanut butter and chicken. And that is peanut butter chicken. Just going to let that finish grilling and then it'll be all set. We've got the chicken done, we've got the zucchini done. Now it's time to eat. Thanks for watching another episode of Cooking with Reporter Vin. I'm Vin Ebenu here at the grill.